Join me today as we discuss the benefits of avocados on a keto diet and the weight loss. They can help you lose weight fast. When it comes to a keto diet, there's one food that is praised for its incredible health benefits and potential for weight loss, and it's avocados. From their creamy texture to their nutritious profile, it's no wonder why so many keto dieters swear by them. One of the biggest struggles people face when they are trying to lose weight on a keto diet is dealing with cravings. You know, those pesky late night munchies that can really throw you off track. And let's be honest, finding meals that are not only delicious, but also can be satisfying can be a challenge. I mean, who doesn't love pizza, right? But the one thing keto diet is finding healthy alternatives that are low in carbs, but they can also be packed with healthy fats that will keep you fat. And then there's the issue of finding meals that are easy to prepare. I mean, nobody wants to spend hours in the kitchen when you could be living your life, right? But with avocados, you can create a variety of quick and easy meals that'll make sticking to your keto diet, a breeze. Avocados are basically nutritional powerhouse packed with healthy fats and fiber and key vitamins that'll keep your body running smoothly. And one of the biggest benefits of incorporating them into your keto diet is their ability to curb hunger. I mean, have you ever tried making guacamole with some crispy bacon and veggies? It's a game changer. But what really sets avocados apart? Fiber is essential for keeping you full, and it's something that often is lacking in modern diets. By incorporating avocados into your keto meals, you'll be getting a close dose of fiber that'll keep you satisfied and energized throughout the day. And then there's the vitamins. Avocados are a rich source of vitamin C, E, K, and K, which are essential for maintaining optimal health. And let's not forget about potassium. Avocados are one of the richest sources of this essential mineral and can keep your blood pressure intact. So here's the deal. Incorporating avocados into your keto diet can lead to some serious weight loss benefits by providing essential nutrients and enhancing satiety. Avocados can help you stick to your diet and reach your weight loss goals faster. And that's not all. They can also help reduce inflammation and improve your overall health. Incorporating avocados into your keto diet can help you reach your weight loss goals. Maintain optimal health benefits. So thank you for watching.